y'all? So today I will be doing a cleaning video. I haven't done one in a while because I have been really booked, like booked. And that's a blessing, but I have been like not being able to clean my house the way I want to clean it because I'm so tired after my clients and my kids come home from school. Sometimes they here while the clients is here and that's just a hot ass mess, but I got to get it anyways, regardless. So mainly I've been keeping my kitchen, living room, and bathroom clean because that's the areas people are like exposed to the most. So that's what I just keep clean on an everyday basis. But it's time to get into it. Like it's time to get this laundry done because I could do laundry all damn day. Put it in there, put the detergent, softener, whatever, put it in that dryer. But listen, when it comes to folding and putting them away, that's where my problem lies. So today we will be doing laundry on top of laundry on top of laundry, honey. And I'm going to like speed it up, time lapse, because anybody got time. I'll also be taking my tree down. My star is leaning, honey. I gotta get a new star. But I put my tree up late in December. That's why I'm taking it down late in January. Let me know if y'all still got y'all tree up, because honey, I don't care what nobody said. My brother came up in here talking about it's trying to take that down. No, it's gonna stay up. I love my lights. So what I'm gonna do is put the lights from the tree on my ficus, so at night it could just be like pretty little, shimmers of light on it. I have a little one, but I'm probably gonna put that in my room. But yes, honey. So y'all will see me take down the tree, put this one up, and put the lights on there. Living room is pretty much cleaned. Put that in my room. I'm thinking about getting rid of this or repainting it. I already got the paint, but I don't know. My kids is like real messy. Like, I don't know if I should even entertain this table because we have a huge table right here. I just shipped out an order, so that's why it's kind of messy right now. But yeah, I have the trash over here, and I just need to get into it with my kitchen. Like, take this red off. I don't know how I'm supposed to like decorate this table because I like it decorated. But I just need ideas on what to put on it. Also, up here is getting back messy. I'm gonna tighten that up, take the trash out, sweep, mop, and do the dishes. So I'm going to do a kitchen clean and take down my tree and laundry. Now y'all don't even want to see the laundry. I'm just, everything needs help. My kids' room, they will clean that up. It's like not messy, but messy. And this is my room. My kids tore down my hair. I was practicing on my mannequin head cornrows. I'm teaching myself how to do cornrows. And I was supposed to put these on a while ago, but never did it. So still gotta make a video about that. But the laundry. The laundry is, yeah. So my kids were playing in the baskets that the laundry was, held in. So it's all in my closet. So yeah, I'm gonna take it crate by crate to the living room because it's super hot in my room for some reason. And I'm going to just do it like that. So yeah, let's get into it, y'all. First off, my wig's lying bad. Like, y'all, do not judge me. Listen, I'm gonna get cute. Just not today, because it's cleanup day. Oh, but y'all, I just spent an hour trying to get motivated. You know what I'm saying? Like looking at clean top. Looking at cleaning videos, short videos of cleaning hacks, TikTok, clean talk, whatever you want to call it. Like, girl. And I'm still not motivated. Maybe if I turn on some music right quick and my jams start coming on and I get in the mood, like, y'all, this is horrible. Like, I really don't want to clean this house. It's not even like cleaning the house. It's just the laundry. Like, it's the laundry. It's the laundry for me. Like, damn, I need to get rid of some of these clothes because it ain't no way I should have this many clothes in the first place. I gotta donate some of this stuff because this is too much. It's overwhelming. It's too much. It's too much clothes. It's too much. All right, next clip, we gonna get started. I swear to God.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase.
Most of this stuff is just gonna go in bins. I have bins like this in my baby's closets. That's why their clothes aren't folded. And their socks, they have another bin for their socks and pajamas and underwear. So I'm just gonna go put this stuff here. I forgot, these are the donation pile. Like if it has like a hole in it or a stain that will come out, or it's just like raggedy, like I just donate it. I don't throw stuff away because someone can use it. But yeah, I'm about to go fill these bins back up again. This goes in the bathroom. And yeah, this is how we are looking. Give y'all a little overview of how we are looking, and I still have more to sort. So yeah, fun. All right, you guys, about to put this stuff away and keep going. I'm almost done.
This can't be our first time. We might be for the still fresh on my mind. Looking for some things that I've been never. You gotta share somebody but love for the bullfight. You might be this one for this can't be our first time. Looking for some things that I've been never can find. Why is this so funny? Oh yeah, just said, oh yeah.
You wanna get with me, stop it.
Do the tree tomorrow, take down the tree, put the lights in the new one, do the kitchen, and I'll probably have my kids clean up their room tonight. So hopefully that just, you know, wraps up the whole house. But I am tired, honey. I have to go get my kids and drop this off. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, peace.
I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. Yeah, 'cause I've been waiting my whole life to find someone like you, to find someone like you. So baby,